Ever wondered how to make a protein smoothie that's also good for your gut? Picture this, a Reese's protein smoothie that not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also packs a powerful punch for your gut health. Now, doesn't that sound like a dream come true? Let's begin with the star ingredient, natural peanut butter. A source of protein and healthy fats, peanut butter isn't just delicious, it also helps maintain a healthy heart and controls blood sugar levels. A generous 2 tablespoons go into our smoothie. Next up, we have ripe bananas. Known for their high fiber content, bananas aid digestion and promote gut health. They also add a natural sweetness to our smoothie. Peel and toss in 1 ripe banana. Following the banana, we include a scoop of chocolate protein powder. Not only does it up the protein content, but it also gives our smoothie that irresistible Reese's flavor. Now let's not forget the gut health superstar, Greek yogurt. High in protein and packed with probiotics, Greek yogurt is a gut-friendly ingredient that promotes healthy digestion. Add half a cup into the mix. To enhance the creaminess, pour in a cup of almond milk. It's a fantastic dairy-free option that also adds a dose of essential vitamins and minerals. To finish, add a dash of honey for a touch of natural sweetness and a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Blend all these ingredients together until smooth, and voila, you've created a gut-friendly Reese's protein smoothie. To recap, this heavenly smoothie combines the protein-rich goodness of natural peanut butter and Greek yogurt, the fiber-filled benefits of bananas and chia seeds, the powerhouse nutrition of chocolate protein powder, and the creamy texture of almond milk. All of these ingredients come together to create a delicious, gut-friendly smoothie that's reminiscent of everyone's favorite peanut butter cup. So, the next time you're craving something sweet, remember this protein-packed, gut-friendly Reese's smoothie. It's a tasty treat that's good for your taste buds and even better for your gut health. Now that's a recipe worth blending up. Worth